Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Finishing Touch Flawless Legs Women's Hair Remover. Loved that you can shave legs while staying dry, no razor cuts, no need to apply pre- and after-shave balm, no burns, hairless legs in minutes. It leaves the slightest trace of stubble, which you can feel, though it's not a lot, and it's totally invisible to the naked eye. Works okay for me, not the closest shave, but keeps me from having to pull out razor. 232019. The product was supposed to smoothly go around curves of your legs, and free of shave or burn. Have to keep going over the same spot several times to get a close shave. This product is great, it gives me a close shave, and it is so much better than doing it in the shower. This shaver is overpriced, and does not work in any capacity that is described to do. It doesn't even work all that well, as it is constantly missing hairs, and you have to go back over it a few times before you finally get most of the hair. It doesn't do the job of other razors, but in a pinch it does fine. With 4 heads, and an ergonomic grip, this little shaver gets to all the hard-to-reach places, like the area behind your knees, back of your thighs, and around your ankles. Does leave a little stubble, but older skin is not as tight, so should do well for younger skin. In Texas heat, sweating made it worse, and was not able to do anything about it. It's a great idea, painless, and takes little time, but if the power was stronger, and the blade thing was sharper, then it could be better. Great for overnight trips, and easy to throw in your purse for after-work events. Would recommend. Recommend product? Yes, but if you're looking to get a close shave, then this is not for you. No dislikes whatsoever. Easy to manipulate, no hair pulling, no nicking, no razor burn. Alright, so the full breakdown of this thing goes. It's an electric razor for your legs. This product does remove hair, but your legs won't be silky smooth as when you shave. Instead, they feel the same way your legs do at the end of the day if you were to shave in the morning, maybe a little shorter. It could work on your arms, but do not do anything sensitive with lots of skin that's meant to stretch, such as armpits, groin, rear. Wait until the hairs are about as long as the yellow lines on the end of an Apple Lightning charging cord. You want to move it in a circular motion, fast, and small circles, and large, and slow circles both do the same thing. Hair growth direction doesn't matter, so you can shave up your leg, or down it. Again, places like your kneecap need to be very tight so it can work easily. They have other products in their line that are for hair removal in other locations. In addition, the plastic head cover does not stay on, so why bother to include it? While it's awesome for hair removal, it sucks when cleaning it, and it keeps breaking after cleaning. Needs a bit of time, however, on the legs, as seems to me can miss a lot of spots if not done precisely. I've tried electric razors in the past, and have always been disappointed. Not with Finishing Touch Flawless. It works great. It would leave your skin as smooth as a razor would be. It does do the job of removing stubble. Never buy this, it works on very small, less than a rice length of hair. Then you scroll down a little further, and it says it's good for armpits, bikini, etc. It does remove enough hair so that you can't see the hair, but then again, mine is light. It's so hard to find an Electros razor for women that actually gets the job done. This product is amazing. It is gentle, shaves very close, but never harms one's skin. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.